Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of grade 5. I am your English teacher, Miss Iram. Welcome back with new unit. Today we are going to start Unit 2, Lecture 1. The Unit 1 name is Alice in Wonderland. Wow, what a nice story. We are going to start today Unit 2. The story name is Alice in Wonderland. But as you know that at the start of new unit, first we remember the word meanings. These are some words. You must note down these words in your notebook. Let's start the story. Alice was beginning to get tired, sitting with her sister near the bank. She was quietly watching the river. Her sister was reading a book which had no pictures and conversation. Alice thought that it was very unusual. Out of boredom, Alice thought of making daisy chains, but it was really hot. To her amazement, she saw a white rabbit with pink eyes pass by her. The rabbit was talking to himself. He said, oh dear, I am going to be late. The Duchess is going to kill me." He took out a small watch from his pocket to look at the time. But there was a girl named Alice. One day she was getting tired, so she was sitting near the bank with her sister. Are you looking in this picture? There are two sisters are sitting near the bank. What was she doing there? She was watching the river and her sister was reading a book. But in that book was no pictures and conversation. That's why she was getting bored. She was thinking, what should I do? As she thought, a white rabbit with pink eyes passed by her. She saw the rabbit and said, oh wow, amazing. The rabbit was talking to himself. He said, oh dear, I am going to be late. The Duchess is going to kill me. After that, Alice followed the rabbit and ended up in a big rabbit hole. The hole was deep and Alice soon realized she was falling deep into the big hole. Down. Would she ever stop? I must have fallen to the center of the earth. Alice thought. Suddenly, she landed with a thud on some dry leaves and sticks. Alice jumped to her feet and saw the rabbit hurrying down a tunnel. Then Alice followed the rabbit at the end of big hole. Alice saw the hole. It was too deep. Then she realized that I should be stopped here. Otherwise, I will fall in deep hole. Suddenly, she saw rabbit. He entered in tunnel. But are you looking in this picture? There is Alice. She is running behind the rabbit. And also, there is tunnel. Now I am explaining to you this story in Urdu. बेटा हम अभी एलिस इन वंडरलैंड की कहानी पढ़ रहे हैं. इस कहानी में एक लड़की का अहम किरदार है जिसका नाम है एलिस. एक दिन वो बहुत थकी हुई थी तो अपनी बहन के साथ दरिया के किनारे बैठकर दरिया को देख रही थी और उसकी बहन किताब पढ़ रही थी. मगर किताब में ना कोई तस्वीर ना कोई मालूमात. तो एलिस तंग आ गई. सोच रही थी कि क्या करूं. अचानक से एक गुलाबी रंग की आंखों वाला खरगोश उसके पास से गुजरा और ये कहता हुआ जा रहा था कि ओहो मुझे बहुत देर हो गई, वो मुझे कत्ल कर देंगे. एलिस खरगोश को देखकर हैरान हुई और उसके पीछे जाने लगी. जाते जाते आखिर वो देखती है कि खरगोश एक सुरंग के अंदर चला जाता है. एलिस वहाँ रुक जाती है और सोचती है कि कहीं मैं इस सुरंग में गिर ना जाऊं. बेटा आई होप दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड माय today's lecture and our story is continue Inshallah, we will complete this story in next video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.